guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is A Simplistic Home. And here on my channel, I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And in today's video, I am taking you guys shopping with me at a vintage spring market here in my local area. At the market, they had a lot of beautiful home decor pieces that would go really well with, honestly, any home decor style. They also had my favorite local small business that has all types of beautiful home decor, Milkmaid. I've talked about her before here on my channel when I've been to the Christmas market and I think the fall market as well, but she just has a lot of great pieces and I absolutely love checking out all the things that she has at the markets. So I will definitely be taking you guys there today and showing you all the things that she had out and pointing out my favorites in her specific booth. And then they also had a lot of other things that I enjoyed in the other booths as well. So they had some stuff from dried florals to wreaths to things for your kitchen to, honestly, like I said, a little bit of everything. And I figured, you know what, I took you guys with me to the vintage Christmas market, so I figured why not take you guys to the spring market as well. It is beautiful outside as I'm filming this video and it just gets me so inspired to decorate my house and just show you guys all the things when it comes to spring decor. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But without further ado, let's head to the spring market now and see all of the great things that they had out. When we first stepped into the market, I noticed all of the beautiful flowers and also this dresser that had the flowers sticking out of it. I thought that was so pretty and definitely unique, something I was for sure drawn to, but all of the beautiful lavender, the baskets, and they also had some things for Easter as well. So if you guys decorate with bunnies and things like that, more of the festive look, if you will, they definitely had a lot of that to choose from. I also thought that these shadow boxes were super pretty and unique as well, and lots of potted plants that were faux plants. They also had some that you guys will see here later that were real plants as well, so that was really neat, and just a lot of baskets and things along those lines. This booth I thought was really cool. They had a lot of dough bowls and things like that, but these were flower shaped, which I thought was really neat. And as you guys can see here, they were only $10. So that would be really cute to style on a console table or something like that. You can keep your keys in there or keep jewelry on there if you wanted to put that on top of a dresser or something like that. They also had several really cute stools. So that wicker one I really liked. I thought that was a great price as well for that find. And I love this stack of books and this candle snuffer that was so pretty as well. So many great pieces to choose from, and there was a little bit of mixture here. So they had some vintage and antique items. There was also some booths that were more crafty and had more of like a DIY style. But this is the Milkmaid booth that I was telling you guys about at the beginning of today's video. My friend Emily here owns Milkmaid, and it is, I just love all the things that she has. She truly has so many great pieces. So I love the green bottle. I love this bowl here with the blue stripes. All of her florals. She had some brass accents. These black baskets are so beautiful, and they came in multiple sizes. She also had a lot of canvas things as well. So this flower sign was so pretty. That canvas wall hanger that had the pockets on there, I thought that that was really unique as well, and just a lot of really great things to choose from. Another thing that I thought was super neat was this potting station. So this was a booth that had all things wooden. They had little stools and stuff as well, but this potting station was so pretty, and they also had some dried florals too. And another booth that they had next to it was a booth that had all of the real plants. So they had some cacti, they had some succulents, they also had a really good selection of dried florals, as you can see here. So some wheat bundles, they also had lavender, a huge floral wreath that was dried, that was so pretty as well. And then just some unique things like these cards. They had some that were for Mother's Day, little things that were really neat too. So like I had mentioned, they had the dried flowers. They also had this lavender water, which was kind of like a facial mist, which I thought was really neat. They had lavender seeds, so you can plant your own lavender, and some other seeds for other flowers as well, which I thought was super cool. That would be a great Easter basket idea if you have older children or something along those lines, or just a gift for yourself as well. And then this was another booth that I really liked too. They have a lot of topiaries and things like that, and they had a lot of really pretty vintage clocks, which I thought would be really beautiful on a vignette style. And you can have that on console tables, on a side table, really anything like that, on shelving, and some really pretty vintage books also. Alright, you guys will have to let me know down in the comments what was your favorite piece that I showed in today's video. They truly had so many great pieces. There wasn't anything in particular that I was looking for, so shockingly, I left the market buying nothing, so I do not have a haul portion in today's video, which is surprising. Every time I go to that market, I end up with something, but there just wasn't anything that I needed per se. There were definitely pieces that I thought were really pretty, and I think that would be beautiful in my home, but I just didn't have anywhere to put it, so I ended up leaving without it. But you guys will have to let me know down in the comments, like I said, what was your favorite thing. And also, do you guys have any vintage markets in your area as well? I know when it comes to the vintage markets and like vendor fairs and things like that, I typically love going to those. They are so fun. I actually used to set up at some about a year or so ago, and that was just as fun as well, and sold my own things, and I had a blast with that. So I'm really looking forward to doing that again sometime soon. But nonetheless, they just had so many great pieces, and I was super excited to go and just share with you guys all the things that they had out. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and stay tuned because my next video is going to be a dining room decorate with me for spring. I will also be doing my living room and kitchen as well, so lots of fun content coming here on my channel. I'm just now getting back into the groove of filming since Theo has been born, so it's been a little bit of an adjustment with adding a new baby in and getting a new routine, new schedule, and all the things. So I do apologize for my videos kind of being very sporadic. I typically post 1 to 2 videos a week, and they've kind of just been here and there ever since he's been born. But we are slowly but surely getting back into routine, and it feels really good. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.